difference between fluid and solid? Most of you answer it right. So I'm happy with that. The only thing is, you know, the difference between solid and liquid is on the shear stress. When you apply a continuous shear stress, when you have liquid, it will move continuously. But if it is solid, it will stop. Just like your book. When you apply a shear stress, if you look like this, okay, shear stress is the stress that is working parallel to the normal surface. When it is like this, we call it pressure. We don't call it pressure stress. It is pressure. You are under pressure, which means you are getting a stress. Right? While we are living in Earth, we are currently under 1 atm pressure. So you are under constant pressure every day. There is no way you are pressureless. Right? So, we are talking about stress. When you are having a solid, it will deform. But it will stop. It cannot deform continuously. And when you remove, it will come coming back to its original shape. But if you have a water, where do I need to pour this? Anyone want to drink water? Okay. Hopefully my book will not be destroyed with it. Okay. If you apply a shear stress on this water, right? You apply a shear stress, it will keep moving. Right? It will keep moving. It will not coming back to its original location. Even when you are taking out the stress. So that's the difference between liquid and okay, so that's the difference. What is liquid, what is solid. Right? What is the characteristic? When you are talking about your friend, you always have a characteristic, right? What is the characteristic? How do you characterize a fluid? You know water, you know oil. What's the difference?
Density.
Okay, density, but sometimes the density can be the same. Boiling point, yes. What else? Viscosity. How do you know the viscosity is different?
One flows easy, one oil flows on top.
When you touch it, it's more sticky. The stickiness is your viscosity, right? Density is your heaviness. In 1 liter of water and 1 liter of oil, the weight will be different. So we are talking about heaviness, right? So if you are talking about fluid properties, there is this different characteristic, right? But I already combined them. It become heaviness. Okay, in heaviness, it may be represented as a density. The reciprocal of density is you have rho. What if specific? Volume, not SG. What is SG? Specific gravity is
1 over mass.
what? 1 over mass. Right.
1 over mg.
1 over mg. Okay. Rho g over m. Getting more interesting now.
Rho
G. Rho G. That one specific gravity or specific mass? Or specific weight?
Mass of the weight over mass of water.
ratio of the density of that particular matter to the water at 4 degrees Celsius. Because water keep changing the density. The highest density of water occur at water anomaly. Remember that? Phase change. Okay, this is the boiling temperature that you said. Actually, when you fry, actually you are boiling with oil. That's the difference. Same boiling. You can fry your potato using water. Can. But you call it boiling. You boil your potato using hot oil, you call it frying. What's the difference? Why you can get a soggy potato when you boil it or you fry it in water, and you get crispy potato? Oh, come on, Ramadan, and you are talking about potato. When you fry it in the oil, why?
Higher temperature.
Yes, higher temperature. Why you can get higher temperature using oil? Higher boiling point. It's about the boiling temperature. When you have a higher boiling temperature, your protein breakdown is faster. Actually, you destroy the food by frying it. You destroy the protein, you break it down. Okay, that's why you got those golden color, tasty potato. I will repeat it again, don't worry, later at 4 o'clock. Alright, so you got that. So actually it's about the temperature. Why you can get a higher temperature? Because the boiling temperature of the oil is higher than the water. So that's how you get a crispy potato. Cohesiveness. Any one of you? Oh, cannot see it. Electron, you need to put a straw. If you put a straw to the water, right, it goes up. Right? It goes up a little bit, and it may form this concave area or convex area, depending upon whether the bonding between their self is stronger than the bonding between the water and the wall, right? Or the other way around. Cohesive and adhesive. If the adhesive force is higher, you will have this, right? They attach more to the rest. When you are having a bigger cohesive force, you have that. Is that clear? Form 3 or form 4 in your density is mass over volume. Why I put V stretch? Okay. This is the common rule that I use. Okay, this is my rule. It's not necessarily to be the correct for other fluid mechanics. Usually when I put V, it is velocity. Right? So this one is velocity. So I put V as a volume. Right? If I put phi this dot, usually it is volume per time. This is volume. Okay? Scratch. This is what I asked you. Specific volume is the reciprocal of density. How about specific weight? Is it the reciprocal of the weight? What is specific weight? Rho G. Specific weight is weight per volume, which is density times the gravity. Right? And then you have another one is specific gravity or relative density, right? The ratio of the density or specific weight of those particular matter to the water at 4 degrees Celsius. Why 4 degrees Celsius? Because 4 degrees Celsius will give you 1000 kilogram per meter square. Is this all the measurement of heaviness? No. If you are in oil and gas industry, they have the so-called API. API. For water, the API is 10 degree. This one for water. Okay. So not only this one, there is so many things else, right? It's showing your heaviness. Oh yeah. If you look at all of this, I always put the dimension and the unit. Okay, if you missed the previous class, what is dimension? This is the dimension. Right? A standard used to describe the characteristic. Okay? So we can use either FLT system or MLT system. F, force, L, length, T, time, M, mass, and so on. Right? So most of the time we will deal only with those. See? When you are dealing with the physics, you will have for I for current, V for voltage, and then C for intensity, light intensity, and data. Right? So you have that. Conversion, I have shown this in our last class, that's why I skipped this one. Okay, you may found that this is not used at the moment, right? But if you take my other course, flow assurance, you can be sure that this one is not used. Right? Because oil and gas is all about British system. Okay, don't think that even though it is British system, it is used in British. No, British now is using SI. The only country that using British system is US. Right? And all technology in oil industry is from US. Even your piping now, if you are looking for this pipe, this pipe, if you want to get the exact measure of it, it is not in millimeter or cm. This pipe is 2 inch.